The bagpipe drone cords are used to keep the drone from falling off of a player's shoulders. They should hang at even lengths with no twists in the cord. You can purchase your cords in wool and silk materials. This is how we recommend tying the cords. You'll need 8 zip tie fasteners to get started. You can use the length of your drone to give you all of your measurements. No ruler needed. Start with the outside tenor drone. Use the length of the drone without the ferrule to tie the cord. Your tassel should hang evenly with the ferrule. Fasten both zip ties on either side of the cord groove within your drone. Not too tightly that your cord doesn't move, and not too loose that the cord falls off. Then, use the length of your drone minus the ferrule to place your next zip tie. Repeat these steps for your middle, tenor, and bass drones. After you finish the bass drone, billow the remaining cord from your middle joint up to the drone top. Remember to leave plenty of room here. With the last fasteners, you want to tie these slightly looser so the cord does not wind around the drone as it turns. Use the remaining cord to tie a decorative knot that will hold the tassel in place, or simply leave it to hang. This tying method will ensure a clean look and an aid to your posture.